again. It's Sunday morning, weather's rubbish, and it's 9:15. I'm absolutely shattered because yesterday I went to see Black Panther and it didn't finish till 12:30. By the time I got home, that was around 1:30. So I'm not sure if you can see, but I've got a set of work wheels in the back. Can't believe I've actually got a set of wheels in the back of my car. No one ever sits in the back, and I've never ever had a car big enough to put things in. And today I've got a set of wheels in the back. That's a big thing for me. I'm looking to sell the wheels. The tyres are still on them, so I need to go and get those broken down and get the tyres taken off, and then obviously clean them up and put them up for sale. But as you can see, I'm back in a shell garage, and I always seem to be here. I'm sure I live in this place. I absolutely hate this place. So that's another £30 gone. I seem to be going through them as if they're nothing. But never mind. Smiles per gallon, I suppose. So £30 gets you half a tank. I was literally on 0 miles. It was about to just stop. I was pushing it a bit too much, to be honest. I don't usually do that. £30 half a tank. I used to have a Lupo GTI. If you looked on my my YouTube channel, I used to have a Lupo GTI. This is what these wheels are off in the back. But anyways, I used to fill up £30 in that, and this would be a full tank. I miss those days. £30, a full tank, get you pretty much anywhere. I had these custom made from Japan and supplied by Driftworks in the UK. These wheels are 16" by 8J, ET10 and 20. They have a centre bore size of 57.1. They're anodised black with satin faces. Now I had these on my Lupo GTI and that was satin grey, which I'll put a picture up right now. So that's the car I had them on. That's when I was into the old stance game. The show season is just round the corner. These will be an awesome wheel for someone. They are really cool. These wheels have been up for sale before. They've been up for sale twice now on eBay. For some reason they weren't selling. Now I think it was down to maybe the price of them, or maybe the tyre size. That's one reason why I took the tyres off. Now the price I'm looking for these wheels are £1,000. For the wheels they are, that's not a lot of money. I mean, I paid £1,800 for them. I'm losing £800 already. If anybody wants them for £1,000, they're more than welcome. It's an absolute steal for that price. I'm going to make a start on cleaning these wheels. Now, they're not too dirty. They've got a little bit of dust on them and some tyre soak where the tyres have been mounted previously. But I never really use these wheels, only for shows. And then when I come home, I take them off. So for this, I'm going to be using Maguire's Mirror Bright Detail Spray. This does a really nice job on cleaning the satin faces and the anodised black lips. And it should get this soap off no problem at all. So I'm going to go ahead and start making a move on cleaning these wheels, and I'll eventually clean the other ones. But for now, I'm just going to clean this one, and I'll go ahead off camera and clean the rest of them. But on camera, it really doesn't do these wheels justice. They're really, really smart in real life. And you really don't see black works. No professional detailer, I'm just a kid who wants to sell his wheels, and I do look after my things. I have a few stone chips, which is, you know, to be expected. I used to tape the lips up to go to shows to try and prevent the stone chips, but a bit of tape ain't really going to stop a stone from chipping your wheels, let's be honest. Now already you can see these look 100 times better, and this stuff smells so good as well. I couldn't recommend it enough. It's really, really good. And now you can pick up in your local outfits. That's also much easier if you didn't want to wait for the orders to come online. Not sure if you can see there because the lighting is really bad. So let's see how good of a job this detail spray gets off this tyre soap. Now I've got every confidence in this. I've never really used this to get tyre soap off before. I use it for the outside of my car. I use it for the interior of my car. It just works wonders. It's really good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off this wheel, and I'll catch you guys in just a sec. These wheels are now ready to go to the new home. I'm going to clean the other 3 off camera. So if any of you guys are going to Ultimate Dubs on the 11th of March, I will happily bring those wheels up to you. Now I am going on the 10th and the 11th, so I'll be there for the both days. Now I know this video is really different to what I normally do. I normally vlog quite a lot, but I get to the editing part of it, I watch it back, and then I really don't think they're any good, or they're not interesting, or they're just not entertaining enough. So if you guys could help me out, leave a like rating down below if you did enjoy it, or if you don't think it really works, leave a dislike, put a thumbs down. It does help me out. It lets me know if you guys like the videos or dislike the videos, obviously. And let me know in the comment section down below what your favourite wheels are, and specs and colour combination, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.